Don't use it on a coated pot. Don't use it on a coated rack. Don't use it on anything that is not pure stainless. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Alice Rita. If you are new to this channel, you are welcome. Today I'm going to be reviewing a product called Oven Brite. So it's a cleaning kit and it's for making your oven to be sparkling clean. Especially the oven rails, where you use the one you use for grilling these rails. It really makes it sparkling. But in my video today, I'm not going to be using it to clean the oven. I'm going to try using it on the base of my pot and see if it's going to give the similar results. I've used it for my oven and I'm pleased with the work. There was no scrubbing involved, but I didn't record video when I cleaned the oven, so I've bought the same product again and I'm going to be testing the product on the back of my pot, the base. So you can see this is an accumulated dirt or residue since the beginning of my PhD, which is almost like 4 years. So I'm going to be using this on this. I'm going to test it on I have 4 items. This is my smallest part. I have the bigger one here. So you can see a bigger one, a small one. So I'm going to treat these 2 parts. A saucepan. You can see the base of my saucepan. And this one. These 4 items, I'm going to treat them, and with the instruction at the back, this kit should come with a glove and a bottle that contains the solution. So this bottle that contains the solution for the cleaning. You can see, I hope you're able to see. So it says deep clean, power through grease, and powerful formula. And you know that those dirt at the back of the part are from accumulated grease stain from cooking. So it came with a big bag. So after applying the product, when I used it the first time, after I've coated the rails, the oven rails with the product, I kept it in this bag. The instruction says to soak for 4 hours. It doesn't mean that you have to soak it to be floating. You just need to apply this on the body of your rail and then leave it in this bag for it to do its job. So it seems that it doesn't need external oxygen to be able to penetrate into the deep grease. And also this should come with a glove. Oh, the glove is not there. It's packed together with this hat here. So it came with gloves, and I'm going to apply these products now, and then we will leave it in this bag. It's a very big bag. So I'm going to get an elastic band so as to secure the glove from falling off from my hand. So the time right now is 12:31, and we will soak it for 4 hours. So first I'm going to start with the gloves. I'm just going to open this. That I don't bleach the inside of the pot. So I think I should start with this one. So you can see it's like a gel. It feels like the consistency seems like a gel, but it's not a gel. So you can see you don't need to do any scrubbing, just apply it to the surface like so. This one, just going to apply. Doesn't have this smell like most substance for cleaning that will have this intense bleach kind of smell. This doesn't have, so that's why I personally like it. So I'm going to put this also here. And I've used this before and I didn't get any skin burn or reaction on my hand, so I'm just cleaning that mess that I made. 12:37. So I'll come back at 4 o'clock to check if the product has worked. So we soaked this about 4.5 hours ago, and you can see the chemical has changed color, meaning that there has been some bleaching done. I'm just going to bring out one at a time and try to wipe the surface. So this is one. I'm just going to wipe this. So this part didn't bleach. Okay, so that didn't work well on the pan. So here we have, oh, it seems to have worked better on stainless than on the coated. See, I didn't even have to scratch. I'm just using my hand to wipe this. So I'm just going to quickly give it a quick wash. Wow, it's definitely worked on this. Ah, my pot is back, looking all new. So it seems to have worked well on a stainless pot than on the coated surface, on this surface. So this I'm going to put aside. Okay, not a good idea on a saucepan. It's rather peeling the coating. Yeah, it has done a good job on this stainless surface as well. So it's so that is the small pot. It's my saucepan after soaking for 4 hours as instructed with the kit. And if you have a pot that is coated or painted, please do not use it on it. Why did I say so? Even though it has beautifully cleaned the silver part of this pot, this one didn't show any peeling. But this second one here, it has peeled the coating that was used to make this side of the pot black. It's spilled inside my saucepan. So it has also, it makes the inside not to be as uniform as it used to be, meaning it has corroded some of the coating in this saucepan. So this is going to be thrown away. The most fascinating part is that it worked beautifully well on my stainless pot. Look at this. I'm going to put by the side of the video the picture from the base of this pan before soaking and after soaking. Look at that. See, all shining. This one it did a fantastic job on this because this was really dark in the earlier video. I'm going to put the before and after by the side to compare. You can see it did a fantastic job. And also look at the side of the pot. It makes it look as if it's new even after 4 years of use. I'm happy with this. So if you're looking for something to thoroughly clean your kitchen, your oven rack, try this product and you can thank me later. I got it at Poundland for £1.50. I don't know if it is being sold online. I will check. I'm not sure. If I find it online, I'm going to put the link in the description box. And I love the fact that I don't have to do any scrubbing. I just soaked it and just use sponge to wash the surface, and voila, you have a clean pot. Remember, don't use it on a coated pot, don't use it on a coated rack, don't use it on anything that is not pure stainless, so that you don't have this type of damage that I've incurred for myself. But that's okay. I wanted to do a product review. Sometimes you lose some things, but I'm happy that I'm able to have a very clean pan at the end of the day. So until next time, if you find my video useful, please write in the description box, and you can share with me what you use in cleaning the base of your pan and saucepan and everything in the kitchen. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time, bye.